Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the top 5 best drones of 2025 from ultra-smart GPS drones to professional 8K aerial beasts with laser obstacle avoidance and built-in screens. Whether you're a filmmaker, traveler, or hobby flyer, this list has something for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So let's jump right in. Number 1. 2025 AE3 Pro Max Plus GPS Drone, 8K dual camera, 3-axis gimbal. The AE3 Pro Max Plus sets a new standard for 2025's drone tech. It features a dual 8K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, and a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth footage. The built-in obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides make flying safe, even for beginners. Plus, it comes with a screen-integrated controller, so you don't need your phone, a big plus for outdoor use. During tests, the AE3 Pro Max Plus impressed with its stability, camera clarity, and control precision. The gimbal holds steady even in windy conditions, and the smart GPS positioning ensures it returns home safely every time. It's ideal for both pro videographers and hobbyists who want crisp cinematic footage without spending thousands. Pros: dual 8K camera with wide-angle lens, 3-axis stabilized gimbal, built-in screen remote, no smartphone needed, advanced GPS plus obstacle avoidance system, long 30-minute flight time. Number 2. F204 2025 K30 Professional GPS Drone, 8K dual camera, brushless motors. The F204 K30 is a professional-grade 8K drone designed for aerial creators. It comes with dual cameras, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors that provide stable, quiet, and efficient performance. The 5G FPV system delivers smooth, low-latency video streaming directly to your phone. This drone's standout feature is its responsive control system and sturdy GPS hold. It handles distance and height control smoothly, and the camera performance is exceptional for the price. Whether you're filming landscapes or doing aerial surveys, the F204 K30 delivers top-notch results. Pros: 8K Ultra HD video resolution, brushless motors equal longer lifespan, precise GPS positioning, smart return and follow me modes, great stability in windy conditions. Number 3. 2025 SHOU601PRO GPS Drone, 4K camera, 360-degree obstacle avoidance. The SHOU601PRO is built for pilots who value safety, precision, and portability. It packs a 4K HD camera, a 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, and a screen-equipped remote for real-time FPV viewing. It's powered by strong brushless motors and GPS optical flow technology, ensuring rock-solid flight control. In testing, the SHOU601PRO showed excellent handling and hover accuracy. The 360-degree obstacle avoidance works flawlessly, perfect for new users. The screen makes it feel like a premium device, and it's surprisingly compact for its capabilities. Pros: full 360-degree obstacle detection, 4K HD stabilized camera, integrated display remote, compact and foldable design, strong GPS plus optical flow stability. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2 Camera Drone, 4K HDR, 8K POTO, 3-axis gimbal. The Potensic Atom 2 is one of the most advanced lightweight drones of 2025, weighing under 249 grams, yet packed with pro-level features. It offers 4K HDR video, 8K still photos, and a 3-axis gimbal for cinematic stability. It supports 10-kilometer video transmission, AI tracking, AI night shot, and even vertical shooting, perfect for social media content. Potensic has done a great job combining portability and performance. The Atom 2's footage is crystal clear, and its stabilization competes with DJI's entry-level drones. AI tracking works well for vlogging or sports shooting, and the battery life easily handles a full session. Pros: lightweight and travel-friendly, 4K HDR plus 8K photo capture, long 10-kilometer transmission range, AI tracking and night shot modes, vertical shooting support. Number 5. 2025 KAITWO Drone, 3-axis gimbal, 5.6-inch touchscreen, laser obstacle avoidance. The KAITWO drone is a true tech marvel of 2025, featuring a 5.6-inch touchscreen controller, 3-axis gimbal, and laser-based all-around obstacle avoidance. It uses GPS and optical flow positioning for maximum precision and safety. The touchscreen controller feels futuristic, smooth, responsive, and extremely bright outdoors. The laser obstacle avoidance works like a dream, helping you fly safely in tight or complex spaces. It's one of the best premium options under its price category, perfect for aerial cinematography. Pros: 5.6-inch large touchscreen controller, laser plus infrared obstacle avoidance, 3-axis gimbal camera stabilization, GPS plus optical flow combo, long range and long battery life. So there you have it, the top 5 best drones of 2025. Each one shines in its own way. The AE3 Pro Max Plus gives you the best all-around performance with built-in screen and 8K dual camera. The F204K30 is perfect for pros who value reliability and GPS accuracy. The SHOU601PRO is a safe, easy-to-use option for beginners. The Potensic Atom 2 brings powerful features in an ultra-light body, and the KAITWO drone stands out for its premium touchscreen and laser obstacle system. No matter your flying style, from cinematic shoots to fun weekend flights, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more awesome tech reviews coming soon. Drop a comment below on which drone you'd pick for 2025. I'd love to hear your thoughts.